Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to see how to make a wireless motor speed controller. So for that I'm using a 433 MHz transmitter module in the transmitter section and Arduino Nano for controlling all the system. So here we need to use a preset or a potentiometer in the transmitter side so that we can give analog value to the Arduino to control the speed. So for that I'm gonna connecting the middle pin of the potentiometer to A0 pin, which is the analog input pin of the Arduino Nano. You can use from A0 to A7 pin, and here this is the receiver of which I have connecting a LED for the testing purpose, and the ground pin of the LED will connect at ground, and the positive pin will connect at digital pin number 5 of the Arduino Nano, and the receiver is connected at digital pin number 2. And here the working, as you can see, the LED brightness controlling as I rotate the potentiometer and the transmitter. So that's working great. And now see the controlling of the motor. So for that we need to use transistor or MOSFET. So for that using a BD139 transistor. It's a NPN type transistor, so we need to connect with the collector pin at ground, and emitter will connect at motor negative pin. Now here this is the 1 kilo resistor which will I am connecting the base with digital pin number 5, as this pin generates a PWM signal. By adjusting the duty cycle, the voltage lower or higher, so that the motor is controlled like in this way by controlling the duty cycle. So here the motor is connected at 5 volt and transistors emitter pin. Now I will connect the 5 volt DC input for this receiver and the transmitter, which as you can see there are no connection in the transmitter and receiver. It's fully operational at up to 50 meters, and with good antenna it can reach up to 200 meters. Now you can see the motor shaft. As I rotate the potentiometer, the shaft rotates responsibly. So that's working very perfect. So use of the circuit can be very useful for making in the robot, where we need to control the robot movement. So this is the small part of this video, and in the coming video I'm making the wireless robot with high speed control and some other features, and the code and all the component details are provided in the description. So till then, please like and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.